Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look at how beautiful this thread trouser has been sewn. Look how the pocket has been fixed. I'm gonna leave the link below in the description box below. Check it out how to do this beautiful pocket. So easy to do it. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on notification and comment. Click on notification bell so you never miss any of my posts. It is what it is. Check the beautiful pocket. So easy to do it. So the link is below. Go check it out how to fix the pocket. For the meantime, let's get started. Take the front, the left front, and the left back. The left front and the left back, or the right front and the right back. You put them together. Put the right side together of the fabric together. You can see the right side, and I'm putting the back on it. So I'm working on the wrong side. So when you are sewing on 1/2 inch, make sure you check the pocket so that you won't sew over the top of the pocket. So you're gonna see that place is bulky. You're gonna use your hand to feel the direction so that you won't sew over the pocket. You have to be very careful, otherwise you're gonna sew over the pocket, and you have to turn everything up and redo it again till you get it better. If you get it wrong, just try, you get it better. So you're gonna sew from the top to the down. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It is what it is. You can see we have not touched the pocket. The pocket is still there. We didn't sew over it. So we're gonna check the base or the ankle side. It's going to depend how space that you left for your folding. You know, if you left like 2 inches, you have to fold 1 inch and fold another 1 inch over it and do a top stitch and sew on top. And if you do like you left like 3 inches, you have to fold 1 1/2, then you fold 1 1/2 on it again, then you sew on top. If it is 1 inch, you have to fold 1/2 inch, then you fold another 1/2 inch, then you sew on top. But this, I want the base to be very big, the folding to be very big. That's why I folded a 1/2 inch and I put it on top. That's why you can see that that place is big by my folding. That's how the person wants it to be. So you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. The same thing to the other side. So after you finish, then you put them together. You can see the front, this is the back. You put them together like this. We're going to start from the front. If you want to put an elastic in, you just have to sew from that part to the end. But because we're going to put a thread in, you're going to use a thread. So you sew, then you leave a space. You top stitch, then you leave a space like 1/2 inch, and you top stitch, then you sew throughout. Then you top stitch it again. But when you're going to put an elastic in, you just have to sew throughout. You don't need to leave a space. So I'm going to fold it like this. There's a little bit space in there, a hole in there. That's where I'm going to put my thread in. That's why I'm going around it like a triangle. So I will not find myself in any difficult situation when I'm putting my thread in. So you can see this is the hole. You can see it very small. Then you put the rest together. Put them back, right side or right side, join them together. Like I said, when you are working with elastic trouser or a thread trouser, your hip supposed to be your waist. You measure your hip as your waist. If you measure your actual waist, you can't wear it. You can never wear it. So always measure your hip as your waist. Because this fabric is not stretchy and we don't have zip to open it so that you get more space. So your waist, don't measure your waist, rather measure your hip as your waist. So you can see I'm stop stitching it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and click on the notification bell so you never miss any of my video. Like I said, if you want to learn how to fix the pocket, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Check it out. So check this out. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take this point to join to the other point. You can see I just flip it over, join it together like this. You can pin it or you can top stitch it. Just top a little bit, like just a little bit to hold it firm. That's what I do. I match it so that it will match properly, you know. You can see, just checking everything. So you measure here. For an adult, you can make it 6.5, 7, 7.5, and 8. It's not elastic fabric, so you have to work on it so that your leg can fit inside. Don't just try and make it skinny. If you make it skinny, your leg can't enter inside because this is not a stretchy fabric. But hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on the notification bell so you never miss any of my video. We do the same thing to the other side. You measure your around ankle. Like I said, an elderly average person can do it 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8. But at least 7 inches supposed to be normal for guys. 7 inches is normal. 6.5 inches is also normal for guy. Oh, the guys, the young guys, you know. I'm top stitching at the tie side or the lap side. I'm top stitching it. Yeah, I'm going over 2 times on that part. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is a part 2 of it. The part 1, I'm going to leave the link below. Make sure you check it out how to cut it before learning how to sew. So let's deal with the waist. Remember, the pocket, if you didn't fix the pocket well, you're going to get it wrong. You fold 1/2 inch. You see the line? That's why I fold everything so that when I sit on my machine, I'll then stand up again. So the line will help me choose. I just have to fold it like that. The pocket is supposed to go inside the waistband. If you fold it and the pocket does not enter inside the waistband, it's not inside the waistband, then you have gotten it wrong. Then you have to redo it again. I'm telling you, I got to redo it again because the pocket, the top of the pocket is supposed to enter inside the waistband. Inside, then you're going to sew on top. That is how it's been done. So when you sew on top, working on the waistband and the pocket, the top of the pocket does not enter, cannot enter inside the waistband, then you are getting it wrong. You have to redo it. So we're done. This is how it looks. Trying to trim a little bit off. It's more IFC, it is what it is. So you can see the pocket, everything, and left with the thread. See the pocket. See, like I said, if you want to do this pocket, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. So this is my thread. I'm gonna make my thread. You fold it half this side, then you fold it half this side also. Then you join them together like this. You make sure your thread is long, a little bit of long, more than your waist, more than your hip, you know, so that you can tie it up Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting more IFC. It is what it is. Peace, blessing be upon everybody. Shalom.